Hello everyone, my name is Subhojit Dotto. I am from St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology, Kolkata. And today I am going to be explaining the topic division of a fraction. This is a part of chapter 2 of the topic fractions and decimals, and this is for class 7 mathematics. I am an intern at Intellify. In case you have any query, you can log on to www.intellify.in. Let's have a quick look on how division works and how to work out division with fractions. So suppose this is a 3 centimeter strip. We can divide it into two equal parts of 1.5 centimeter or 1 by 2 centimeter. Or if we divide it into 6 equal parts, we get each part to be half a centimeter. So when we divide a value with a whole number like 2 or 6, the quotient is always less than the dividend. So we can see 1.5 is less than 3 and half is also less than 3. So let's see how we can apply multiplication of fraction to perform division. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and here half of 10, that is 10 into 1 by 2, is also 5. So you can see here we are dividing 10 by 2 and here we are multiplying 10 by half, and both of them gives the same result 5. So from that we can see that we can replace the division operator by a multiplication operator if we replace this value, that is the dividend, with its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2, which is actually 2 by 1, as every whole number is basically a fraction with 1 in its denominator. So 2 is 2 by 1. We can write 2 as 2 by 1. So the reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equivalent to, or we can write 10 divided by 2 as 10 into the reciprocal of 2, that is half. So 10 divided by 2 is 10 into half. Like we have seen here, both of them give 5 as the result. कुछ और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 7 divided by 5 is equals to 7 into the reciprocal of 5, that is 1 by 5. So 7 into 1 by 5, which can be easily solved by multiplication of fractions. So over here, multiplying the numerator, we have 7 by 5, which can be written as 1 2 by 5. Another example is 8 divided by 2 by 3. So the dividend is a fraction now, which is our main focus. But we are going to follow the same procedure. 8 divided by 2 by 3 is 8 into the reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is 3 by 2. So 8 into 3 by 2, which can be easily solved. Let's reduce these. 2 into 4 is 8 and 2 into 1 is 2. So we have 4 into 3, that is 12. So let's look at some more examples. 2 by 7 divided by 6. So once again, when we change this to multiplication operator, we need to replace 6 with its reciprocal, 1 by 6. And over here you can see the reason why the reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. So 2 by 7 into 1 by 6, 2 and 6 gets reduced, so 3 over here and 1 over here. So 1 7 by 3, that is 1 by 21. Second example में है 3 divided by 5 1 by 5. इसे मिक्स से improper fraction बनाते हैं. So 5 1 by 5 is 26 by 5. So 3 divided by 26 by 5. Now let's take the reciprocal of this and change the sign. We have 3 into 5 by 26. Nothing to be cancelled here. So 3 into 5 by 26, that is 15 by 26, which is the answer. For the last example, we have 20 divided by 4 by 5. Same thing like we did. The reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4 multiplied by 20. 4 into 5 is 20 and 4 into 1 is 4. So we have 5 into 5 by 1, that is 25, which is the answer. Now sometimes we represent 10 divided by 3 as 10 by 3, which is basically a fraction. So now if we look at this, what does this mean? It means like over here, this number is divided by this number. So over here, 2 by 5 by 20 is 2 by 5 divided by 20, which can be easily solved by putting in the reciprocal as we see here, and the answer is 1 by 50. But a question arises, if it is 2 by 5 by 20, then can we write 2 divided by 5 by 20? The answer is no. And it's because we have to always keep an eye on the bigger division line. So here, this is the bigger line. So this whole thing is divided by this value. Let's look at some basic representations to understand. So over here, this is the bigger line. So this whole thing is divided by this. So A by B is divided by C. यहाँ देख सकते हैं दिस लाइन इज द बिगर वन. सो इस वैल्यू के साथ ये पूरा वैल्यू डिवाइड होगा. सो A डिवाइडेड बाय B बाय C, and over here this line is bigger. So this whole thing is divided by this whole thing. So A by B divided by C by D. Always remember to look for the bigger division line. So here are some examples. 2 by 7 by 5. So here this is the bigger line. So we can represent this as 2 divided by 7 by 5. Now you can't go multiplying and reducing here, because don't forget you need this to be a multiplication sign. So we need to take the reciprocal here. So this becomes 2 into 5 by 7. Now we can solve it. Nothing to be reduced here, so 2 into 5 by 7, that is 10 by 7, which is 3 by 7, which is the answer. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. 3 by 5 by 18. So once again this is the bigger line. तो हम इसे ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. 3 by 5 divided by 18. एक और बार हम यहाँ पे रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे. So this turns into product. So 3 by 5 into 1 by 18. So 3 into 6 is 18 and 3 into 1 is 3. So 1 by 5 into 6, that is 1 by 30. For the last example we have 2 by 5 by 6 by 25. Noticing the bigger line, this whole thing is divided by this whole thing. So 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 25. Now turning this into reciprocal, 2 by 5 into 25 by 6. So 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 into 1 is 5, and 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 1 is 2. So 5 by 3 or 2 by 3 is the answer. That's the end of the discussion. I hope you understood this topic. If you didn't, you can visit our website and post your query there to get it solved by our instructors. Thank you for watching.